In this video, we're going to show you how to fix app code conflicts between multiple Shopify apps. One of the biggest advantages of Shopify is its extensive app ecosystem. You can install apps to add features like product reviews, live chat, upselling, subscriptions, and email marketing. However, when multiple apps try to modify the same parts of your store, they can sometimes interfere with each other. You may notice that certain features stop working. Widgets disappear, pages load incorrectly, or your theme behaves unexpectedly after installing a new app. The good news is that most app code conflicts can be identified and resolved without rebuilding your store. By the end of this video, you'll know how to troubleshoot app conflicts, isolate the source of the problem, and keep your Shopify store running smoothly. So, let's get started. The first method is to identify when the problem started. If the issue appeared immediately after installing or updating an app, that app is the most likely cause. Review your recently installed or updated apps and note any changes made before the problem occurred. Next, test each app individually. Temporarily disable or uninstall one app at a time, then refresh your storefront to see whether the issue disappears. Testing apps individually makes it much easier to identify which app is creating the conflict. Another useful step is to review your theme customizations. Some Shopify apps add app blocks, theme extensions, scripts, or custom code to your active theme. If two apps attempt to modify the same section of the theme, they may interfere with one another. Check your theme editor and remove or disable duplicate elements where appropriate. Before making manual theme changes, duplicate your current theme so you have a backup available if needed. You should also make sure all apps and your Shopify theme are updated to their latest versions. Many compatibility issues are resolved through updates released by app developers. If two apps provide similar functionality, consider keeping only the one that best meets your needs. Using multiple apps that perform the same task can increase the likelihood of conflicts, while adding unnecessary complexity to your store. Finally, test your storefront after every change. Check important pages such as the home page, product pages, collections, cart, and checkout to verify that all features are working correctly. In most situations, these troubleshooting steps will resolve app code conflicts. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, identify which app may have introduced the problem. Second, test apps individually and review theme modifications. And third, update your apps, remove duplicate functionality when possible, and verify your store after each change. Remember that app conflicts are usually caused by multiple apps trying to control the same part of your storefront. Making changes one step at a time helps you isolate the issue quickly and reduces the risk of introducing additional problems. Maintaining a clean app setup and keeping your theme backed up are also excellent practices for long-term store stability. And that's how to fix app code conflicts between multiple Shopify apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.